Hello. So we have launched our platform called Eladr, which is an immutable internet. Basically the Eladr token is your gateway to immutable internet. And what is that mean by an immutable internet? Immutable internet is a security enhanced privacy driven internet. So how does it works? For example, like we have built a small platform on the top of Eladr protocol. So like how do you connect to this particular platform? So when you log into the website, you can see a connect wallet button here. You will use this to connect the your wallet to the internet. So basically here we are not asking your username, password or nothing like that, and the private key of your wallet is never been stored anywhere. It is never leaving your wallet. I mean that it will be always it will be in the blockchain itself. Like for example, you are having a Nami wallet and you are having your Eladr token holding in Nami wallet, and you have to give a tick mark on Nami wallet over here, then press on connect wallet. It will take you to the home. So the home will be look like this, and here all the data you can upload using the upload button. You can put the title, description and everything, and once you choose the file will be go to IPFS, which means that nobody will be able to edit, delete or alter the file which you've been uploaded to Eladr platform. This file is actually getting stored to IPFS. So now you can also see your here the button called my files. In that all your files uploaded will be there. And if you want to store some data which need a security, you can put it you can put on upload, and you can encrypt the data like using a zip or something like that, and you can store it on into the internet, so it will be there forever. So that is what we called an immutable internet, which is uneditable, undeletable, untrackable and unalterable and unhackable internet as well. So this is the Eladr platform which provides a gateway to immutable internet. And thank you for watching.